To charge your vehicle's traction battery, check that the speed selector is on mode P and the engine is switched off. Next, press on the back of the charger flap to open it and ensure there are no foreign bodies on the vehicle's charge connector. White lights inside the charger flap will come on. Insert the pistol into the vehicle's charge connector. The lights inside the flap on the car will flash green to indicate charge. If this does not happen, charge hasn't commenced. Please repeat the procedure. At the same time, when the vehicle is plugged in, the following information will be shown on the head-up display: battery status in percent, remaining range in kilometers, estimated charge time and charge speed in kilowatts per hour. After a few seconds, the head-up display will enter sleep mode. The information can be displayed again by unlocking the vehicle or opening a door. You can remotely monitor your vehicle's charge status via your smartphone and the My Citroën application. With a supercharger on a public charging terminal up to 100 kilowatt wand with the help of a Mode 4 cable integrated into the charger, charge time is 15 minutes for 120 kilometers. ë-Berlingo Electric is the best in segment in terms of fast charge. All ë-Berlingos, whether equipped with a single-phase or three-phase onboard charger, are compatible with 100 kilowatts fast charging. In the context of rapid recharging in a supercharger, there is no need to acquire an additional cable. It is systematically attached to the charging point. Charge completion is indicated when the green lights in the flap stop flashing. A red light in the flap indicates that the pistol is locked. To unplug the pistol from the charge connector, unlock the vehicle if it is locked. If your vehicle is unlocked, lock it, then unlock it.